In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up basic shipping for your WooCommerce store. And this is the website on which I want to set up my basic shipping. Before we get started, if you want to create an online store just like this one right here, I'll leave a complete tutorial to it in the video description down below. So you can go ahead and check it out after you have finished watching this tutorial. So to set up my basic shipping, I go to the back end of my website. I just hover on the name right here. Then I click on dashboard. I'm going to open it in a new tab. So I right click, then I click on open link in a new tab because I don't want to lose this page. I move it here. Inside my WordPress dashboard, I go over to WooCommerce, then I click on settings. Next, I click on shipping. At the moment, I don't have any shipping zones. So what I do is I add shipping zone from here. Since I want to be selling in Ghana only, I want to set two different shipping zones. And the first one I'm going to set is the location where I'm coming from. In Ghana here, our main locations are being set to regions, where we have 16 regions. And the region where I'm coming from is Northern. So I want to make sure that all the deliveries I'll be doing in Northern here will be free. Wherever you are, apart from Northern region, delivery will attract a fee or shipping will attract a fee. So the first one is going to be Northern region. I have it here. I'll just select it. And then the zone region, I make sure Northern is selected. It is right here. I select it. Going down, I click on Save Changes. Now I've added my shipping zone. Next thing I want to do is add a shipping method. So I click on Add Shipping Method. I drop down the arrow here. Then I select free shipping. Take note, whoever is making an order from Northern region will benefit from free shipping. So I click on Add Shipping Method. Next, I'll go back to shipping zones. So apart from Northern region, the rest of the regions will attract shipping fee. So I'll go to locations not covered by your other zones. I click on Manage Shipping Methods. I add shipping method. And the first one is going to be a flat rate. I click on Add Shipping Method. Let's edit it to enter the amount. Shipping is not going to be taxable, so I choose none. You can choose whichever one you want depending upon your store requirements. For this demonstration, I will leave it as none. And the flat rate for shipping is going to be 10 Ghana cedis. I click on Save Changes. Next, I'm going to add another shipping method for the other locations. So I click on Add. This time around, I'm going to choose free shipping. Then I'll go ahead and click on Add Shipping Method. Remember, I already set free shipping for Northern region. However, I'm adding another free shipping for the other locations. But it's not going to be absolutely free. It will only be free when they buy up to a certain amount. So I click on Edit and the free shipping. I drop down the arrow here and I'm going to choose a minimum order amount. And I'll set it to a particular amount which customers will buy in order to benefit from the free shipping. For this, I'll set it to 100 Ghana cedis. Then I click on Save Changes. Now I've added a single product to the cart. As you can see, the quantity is 1 and then the shipping is set to 10 Ghana cedis for the Greater Accra location. Now, what if the customer wants to buy more than one product? Let's say I want to increase the quantity to 3, then I update the cart. You notice that the shipping rate is still set to 10 Ghana cedis. So what this means is that it doesn't really matter how many quantity the customer will be buying. Even if they want to order 100 pieces, the shipping rate will still be 10 Ghana cedis, and we don't want that. So if I go back to WooCommerce settings, take note, this is not going to affect free shipping. It's only going to affect flat rate. So I edit it. At the moment, the cost is set to 10 Ghana cedis. So what I do is I click in here, then I provide space, add asterisk, which stands for multiplication sign, another space, then I enter opening square brackets and also close it up. Now inside this square brackets, I enter QTY, which stands for quantity. Then I go ahead and save the changes. Now if I go back to the cart page and refresh the page, you now see that the shipping is set to 30 Ghana cedis. So if I increase the quantity to maybe 5 and update the cart, it is set to 50 Ghana cedis, even though the client will be entitled to free shipping depending upon the amount. But I just want you to see how it will take effect. So this is very important when it comes to shipping.